I schooled in an NGO in Muktangan. After 10th class, my family faced some hurdles, and I realized it was important for me to support them. So, I started tutoring to earn some money.
Post 10th, my future in education was questioned. Higher education for girls in our culture is still questioned. However, I turned my back to defy the norms. I applied in the state scholarship exam in Pune and got selected in a good government school with financial aid.
I had taken up commerce in my 11th and 12th. I hoped that I would land up doing some good paying job. Growing up is not only about fulfilling your family's expectations or your society's expectations. It is also about growing as an individual. It is also about finding your own strength.
And creating a meaningful impact in society.
Hello, I am Pooja. I am from Mumbai.
I am Rasulbi. I am from Pune.
Anybody can get good grades or earn, but how many of us can live and grow till our full potential? How many of us can be the ethical leaders of tomorrow? How many of us can create an impact in this world?
At Kriya, you'll be provided this once in a lifetime opportunity to get a holistic education. And this really excited me. I could see the opportunity that was coming on my way. And that day, I didn't want to compromise.
Kriya introduced me a new concept of interwoven learning, which is all about thinking, observing, analyzing, exploring, and therefore connecting all these dots. It opened me a new dimension to learn.
When maths is taught by a history professor and our classes unfold lessons on history of maths, that is where education breaks the barrier of subjects and emphasize a holistic learning. Moreover, the mentor program and tutors are all here to be part of our journey at Kriya.
I am all excited about getting a major in psychology, learning piano, and pursuing creative writing.
Kriya has given me the courage to dream. It has armed me with a unique set of skills. Today, I want to work towards making a difference, support, and inspire girls like me to defy the odds and hustle.
Kriya came like a light. It allowed me to explore my gears and take a flight.